Okay, here's another lesson for reading. We've been talking about using prefixes and suffixes to create new words. I'm going to show you a couple of task cards where we can add both a prefix and a suffix. Remember, prefixes are words that you can add on to the beginning of a word, right, and change it to a new word. And suffixes are words you can add on to the end of a word. So if you take a base word like success, you can add on any of these prefixes and make a new word. For example, well, not yet, hang on. Or you can add a suffix on, like let's say if someone has a lot of success, you could say that that person is successful, right? They're successful, and we added on the FUL suffix. So successful means full of success. We know that the suffix FUL means to be full of something. Well, let's look at this sentence. Even though the experiment was blank, the scientists did learn from the failure. Remember this keyword failure here. Well, that's not a success when it's a failure. So which one of these prefixes means not? Like we'd added success to mean it's not a success. That'd be un. So we could say unsuccess, and then actually also the suffix unsuccessful. So you could say the experiment was unsuccessful, but they still learned from the failure. So this is the type of thing that we're going to do here with these cards, is we're going to take a base word or a root and put both a prefix and a suffix on it to make a new word. So let's look at another one here. How about this one? Our eyes were wide with shock and our mouths were gaped open. We couldn't believe someone would speak to our teacher in such a what manner? Well, we've got respect. So what are we thinking? If someone's shocked about how someone would talk to a teacher, it sounds like they can't believe the way this person's talking. Maybe they're not being respectful. Which of these would you put on front of respect? DIS, right? Disrespect. And then what suffix can we add on? I think again, full, right? So we could say disrespectful. So let's see if that fits. Our eyes were wide with shock and our mouths were gaped open. We couldn't believe someone would speak to our teacher in such a disrespectful manner, right? Okay, so you get the idea of what we're doing here on these task cards, right? And there's an assignment for this in Seesaw. I can't remember what it's called, but it'll be in there. So just look for assignment. We're working with these task cards here to fill in the missing word. And remember, to make the word, you're going to take a base word and add a prefix and a suffix to it to make that new word. All right? So that is one other assignment for you to look for today.